Hello YouTube, I'm Paddy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get perfect corner joints on your door seal. So if you were asking me what way I do the seals on the door leaf itself, in particular how I go from the bottom to the sides, the corner pieces, how do I get them accurate and nice. So here's two ways that I use. Okay, so here's our joinery seal, or sometimes called kerf seal. I'm using a special shears here it's used for cutting angles on seals and other such things. So with this method you need to get two perfect 45-degree cuts or it won't work. Get your super glue and apply it to the edges, and being kind of lazy here, and instead of holding the two pieces and waiting for the glue to set, I'm using some super glue activator, which will make the super glue go off after a couple of seconds. I was a bit slow in this section here and the super glue went off, so it didn't actually stick, but it's not the end of the world. And there's your perfect corner joint. And this is the method I use 99.9% of the time. It doesn't involve any special tools. You just push the seal into the channel and mark the inside edge of the rebate and the outside edge of the rebate, and literally just with the scissors just connect the two dots and cut, but don't cut the whole way through. You stop right at the edge. You'll see why in a second. Okay, so next just line up the cut you just did with the outside rebate, and then mark the inside rebate. Again, just line up your marks, and again just stop right before the very edge. And there is your perfect corner joint. So that's the two methods. Alternatively, instead of using super glue, you could also get maybe like a soldering iron or something like that to melt one edge of one side and then quickly sticking it to the other. I haven't tried that, but I'm sure it will work as well. Yep, that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and please give a thumbs up and subscribe.